Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now this happened on 11/30 of 2024 in Volusia County, Florida, when sheriff deputies were investigating a car crash when they got a live 911 call of another hit and run. So they proceeded to the car crash, and the suspect decided he was going to take off on foot. And so let's just go ahead and take a look at that video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Hey, which way did they run? Is he? Okay. Hey, is this your car?
Yes, it is. That was the one he was.
Come here.
I have my dog and he's.
Come here. Come here. Sheriff's office, stop. Alpha 25 Central, I got one running. Vermont and Adele, we're going eastbound. He's cutting through the woods on Thompson. Black male, white pants, camo jacket, blue underwear. Southbound on Thompson, jumping fences. Alright, he's going across Thompson, still westbound through a yard. Alright, he just face planted, but he's still going. Stop!
Alright, I'm gonna. Okay.
Taser deployment. Stop!
Oh.
Stop! Stop!
Okay. Oh.
Stop!
Okay.
Alright, 1212. I want to say maybe Delaware. Hit and run and resisting. He's here. I'm just waiting for another unit.
Yeah.
Stop!
I didn't do it. Ma'am, can I ask you what happened?
He took off running after he crashed his car twice.
Oh my God. I ain't crashed shit.
You totaled that car.
That car, that car driving.
He's got like 5. I think I unloaded. He's got like 10 probes in him.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Huh? No, what? What I'm doing? What I'm doing right now? Outstanding.
He's got 10 probes in him.
Alright.
And my phone is in a yard.
One circle.
Can I go? I'm gonna go grab my phone.
Yeah, what do you think? You have my phone?
All 10?
I found it. Yeah, it kept hitting stuff that's not him.
Okay.
And then he took his jacket off. I got it. You got my taser.
I'll check right here.
You got my taser.
Oh.
He kept going. Hey, he dropped a gun. You got gloves? Yeah. One Alpha 25 Central. Copy a serial number for a pistol.